let's have one interesting example for a discrete type random variable. So the property mass function of discrete type random variable is given by this function, so which is p x of, let's say, I, which is probability that x is equal to I is equal to 1 minus p to the power of I minus 1 times p for I equal 1 to etc. So obviously, if you add these PIs, you get the total probability, which is equal to 1. And then let's say here what happens. So what happens at this point, I have 1 mass of probability. Here I have p times that, and then I have. So this is a reducing probability mass function, which is exponentially reducing. So if I calculate the expected value of these, which means that I multiply this distance 1 times this probability, then I multiply 2 times this mass, I multiply 3 by this probability, 4 by this one, etc. I get the total mass, which is also center of distribution. So I have to calculate this summation, which is so obviously you can do some tricks in order to calculate this one, and you see this is 1 over p. So if I plot the expected value of this random variable versus this p, if p is equal to 1, expected value is going to be equal to 1. So at this point you have 1. But if p is, obviously we know p is always between 0 and 1. If p tends to 0, this will become infinity.